Okay, you guys, we have a great video today. Probably gonna be one of my most real, authentic, genuine versions of myself today. Because I'm gonna show you some really embarrassing footage of me working out in real time. Sometimes in my pajamas, sometimes in workout clothes, sometimes sweating profusely. And I'm doing that because I wanted to share with you a very special app that I have been using for about a year now. And this very special app is called Trainwell. Trainwell has been such a game changer for me as a busy mom, still trying to keep up with my workouts, staying healthy, feeling strong. I feel like in my early 20s, I worked out for like the number on the scale and to be in shape and fit into my clothes. In my 30s, I'm working out to be healthy for my kids and to be strong, so that way I can chase them, I can run after them, I can carry them all day long if they need. And I just absolutely love this app, and I'm really excited to tell you guys about it because I have genuinely been using this app for a long time. And it's like having a trainer in your pocket, which we all could use. And it's so efficient if you're a mom. If you're a busy mom and you don't have time to get to the gym or a workout class every single week, this app is for you. So I will share more about that. I'm gonna share some recipes or some things that I've been eating that I feel like are really fast, easy, like high protein options if you're kind of on the go like I am. And then, what else am I gonna show you? Well, we're just gonna like take you along. My house is a total mess right now, so this is really the perfect time to film this because it is so real. I have so much to do. I don't even have time to work out today, let alone make a video about working out today. But I'm gonna do it to show you that you actually do have time if you prioritize it. So Brody, let's go get our workout in. You wanna do it with me? Here's my very fancy gym. That's right. This is my gym right here. My gym is in this room. It's also in, Brody, where are you going? Where are you going? It's also out here. Yeah. We do our workouts right here. And we do our workouts outside sometimes, huh? Let me show you a few things I love about the Trainwell app. I have to drink a gallon of water, outdoor walk. It gives me my workout for the day. Now, if something happened in my day and I just could not get my workout in today, I can push my workout one day. It gives you 1 day of grace, okay? So the other great thing about this is if you have an Apple Watch, this is how your trainer knows that you did your workout, and they know how to actually train you because of your watch. So if I'm doing something too fast or too slow or too high or just not right, somehow my Apple Watch will tell her, and then she'll be able to tell me, slow down, or you need to go faster, or don't go that high, or whatever, which is kind of amazing. So it's like having your trainer here with you. Okay, so I am going to hit my workout. So this says I need dumbbells, 10 and 15s. I need a box and I need a bench. Well, today I am not at the gym. Sometimes I do this at the gym and I have all that stuff. Well, today I don't. So I will modify with a chair or with a ottoman or something like that. I hit start workout, and now it's gonna connect with my watch. Up first is 30 seconds of cat cow. And let's go. As you can see, my house is an absolute mess. Old me would have said, I can't work out right now. I need to clean my house. Mentally, physically, I am a better mom if I get this workout in. Most of the time I do this with Brody, but right now he's nicely playing by himself and enjoying himself, and so I'm not gonna bug him. But a lot of the time he'll do this with me, and it's actually really fun. It's like a fun way to play together. Okay, I'm done with my workout. Next, I need to clean my house because my mind does not work if my house is filthy. Anyone else like that? I'm just gonna clean my kitchen because that's like the messiest right now. And I just have to say I love my husband so much, but this is his definition of a cleaned kitchen. He did the cleaning of the kitchen this morning. But you know, I used to complain about that, and now I realize I just have to clean up the fringe and wipe down the counters. So even though he doesn't know how to do the fringe, at least he knows how to unload and load the dishwasher, and that I am thankful for. So now I'm gonna clean up the rest of it, and then we gotta take Scout to the groomer, and then we'll come back, see how much time we have, and we might get our outdoor walk in today. Ready, set, go. We're doing it, Brody. Are we going for our walk?
Yeah.
Do you have your vest on?
No, it's jacket.
Okay, is it cozy? Okay. So now looking at the app, this is just kind of how it works. So I did my workout. You can see down here, completed. My Apple Watch recorded the walking, but I'll also go here and tap this and I'll swipe up and say, I did it. Now what I really love about it is there's days, like see how I don't have a workout plan for Wednesday or on Friday? On those days, I'll go to extras. And there's all kinds of workouts saved in here that are smaller, that are on the go if you're sick and you just want to do stretching. But they really are like so applicable to your schedule and what you want to do and how you want to do it. And so you can fit in extra ones if you're feeling fancy. Okay, so I just put Brody down for a nap, and now I'm gonna whip up myself something to eat, and I thought that I would share kind of my two like go-to things. I'm always looking to have high protein, and I'm usually needing something fast because, as we all know, nap time is like the one part of the day that I have to myself. So today I'm gonna do a snackable option. I'm also going to put my favorite tuna salad and my favorite egg salad recipes down below. They are so delicious. The tuna salad is the OG, like so simple. It's sweet relish, mayonnaise, and tuna. And that's what my parents used to make us when we were little. And I just stick with it because it's so good. The egg salad is a little bit more fancy and fun and has a lot of flavor if you like Dijon mustard. And then my little snackable plate that I'm gonna make usually has something like salami or cheese and I'll just show you. Let's just make it. Let's do it really quick. I didn't have any salami today, so we're gonna do turkey, this artichoke and jalapeno dip from Trader Joe's. And then this is my favorite cheese from Trader Joe's, the Toscana cheese with some almonds. And then a little sweet treat, I have a date. The thing with working out as a mom and staying healthy, there's so many things that we have to do in a day. And I have kind of narrowed down, at the end of my day, I will feel most like proud of myself, most accomplished, most like in the best headspace if two things happen in my day. One, if I get my quiet time with the Lord, I read my Bible or I journal or I have that moment. Or two, if I get a workout in. If one of those two things doesn't happen throughout my day, preferably in the morning, I feel like the rest of my day is just chaotic. And somehow, if I get a workout in the morning and I have my quiet time with the Lord, all the other things that seemed insurmountable, they just fit in my day somehow. It's kind of like a magic trick. I don't really understand how it works, but it does. But I'm in a season right now where I'm not trying to like lose a ton of weight because we want to have more kids. We want to get pregnant again. And obviously with getting pregnant, you gain weight. So I'm not trying to be my skinniest right now. However, I am trying to be my healthiest and I'm trying to be my strongest. Not only is it really hard to make time to work out, but it is hard to get to a workout class and then to be consistent with it. And that's why I love this app so much, because it is set up to be like a one-on-one trainer experience. You have someone that's keeping you accountable. You don't have to leave your house if you can't. Like if you're in a season where you have a newborn or you don't want to have a newborn, you just have lots of kids and lots of busyness. And like right now, I have an hour and a half to 2 hours where I can get something done. I can't leave my house, but I'd want to work out. And I just feel like it's so convenient. I love that my trainer, Stephanie, is able to see how I'm working out, see what my heart rate does, see if I was challenged enough or if I could have pushed myself harder, if I should up my weights. All of that is stuff that, like, when I go to a gym, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. And when I'm home and I have free weights, I also have no idea what I'm supposed to do. And I don't really know how to challenge myself and strength train. So I love that it's flexible. I love that it's informed, and it's like I have someone that's telling me what to do and when to do it. When I first set this up a year ago, I did this quiz where the program aligned me with my trainer based on my goals and the things I was trying to accomplish, which is really helpful. And I just really love the accessibility and the fact that I could take it traveling. You don't have to have weights. Like, you can customize everything. I could tell my trainer the week before, hey, I'm going on a trip. I'm not gonna have any weights. Can you customize workouts for me that will be no weights but still challenging? And she will. Or if I've been feeling sick, as you guys saw on the app, like, I can click extras and go to a sick workout, which is basically just stretching, but it's like you're still moving your body. You're still keeping the commitment of moving my body, which is really the most important thing. Now, I really do think this winter is kind of like the best time to try and get started, because you can do it at home. It's gonna get darker, it's gonna get colder, it's gonna get uglier if you live in the middle of the country where all the leaves fall off. All of those things are gonna mess with your mental state. It does mess with mine. But if my body feels strong, like when I first started this whole thing, I could not do push-ups. I could not do we started my workouts a year ago with no weights for like months. And I'm not kidding, I don't have video of it, but when we lived in Tulsa, I would forget that I had a workout, and I'd be like, oh, I have to do it, because my watch would remind me. So I'd be making dinner, because I didn't have to do weights in the beginning because I wasn't strong enough. And I would just be doing my workout here in the kitchen while I'm making dinner. But I'm like, hey, I just moved my body and I got it done. This whole thing is supposed to like meet you where you're at. And once you get to the point where you feel stronger, like, sometimes you need to walk into it with baby steps, and then you're able to actually commit to doing a workout that's more intense, or at a gym or whatever. And that's how I am, where now it doesn't seem so daunting. It's not as intimidating. And I love how I feel after. And I love that I can like keep up with my kids, and that I can hold my kids, and that I don't feel like my back hurts as much as it used to. And I just feel like I'm stronger. And I think that is like a huge testament to this whole program. Whenever I want to make a change to my workout routine, I can message her on the app, or I can actually set up a FaceTime consultation with my trainer face to face. We can chat, we can check in with each other, we can make changes to our workout plan. I've done that a couple of times, and I think it's really awesome because this isn't like a robot in the phone. This is a real human who is able to connect with you and like talk about how you want to change your workout, make it easier, make it lighter. If you're in a season, you know, where you have a lot of change, like, that's what's so great. They can personalize it and make it fit your life and your plan. If you guys want to try Train Well, they are giving me a link that you guys can click on. You'll get 14 free days. You'll get the whole quiz. You can find a trainer, and then you can try it for 14 free days to see if you guys like it. Don't do it to get back in your jeans. Do it to be strong with your kids and to feel good. Like, you want to feel good on the inside. And then a wonderful byproduct of doing that is you probably will get back into your jeans if you're consistent with it. There's gonna be times where you're not consistent, but that's okay. No judgment. It's all about just moving your body and being healthy and having another person that will be accountable to you to make sure you meet your goals. I'm gonna leave you guys with this thought, okay? The thing with working out is it may not look how it used to look. You might still be in your pajamas. You might wake up, like sometimes I wake up and I'm like, the only way I'm gonna get this done today is if I do this right now, in my pajamas with my glasses on. It may be that you are outside. It may be that you're inside. It may be that your dog and your toddlers are crawling all over you. Or you might have peace and quiet by yourself, or you might be able to go to a gym and use the whole gym and have your trainer with you. But no matter what your circumstance looks like, you can guarantee that you will move your body and that you'll be moving yourself towards health in this season. And that is worth it to me. And that is something that I'm so excited to share with you guys, because I know that will make you feel better. I know that will make you feel better mentally, physically, emotionally, all the things. We just need to move our bodies, and we need to get outside and get fresh air. And I'm just really hopeful that this app will help you guys just like it helped me. So I want to encourage you this winter, look into Train Well, or there's all kinds of stuff you can find out there. But if you need the accountability, if you know yourself and you know that you need someone that's going to be on you, like, hey, your workout's tomorrow, go to bed early, make sure you get it in. Or, hey, you didn't do your workout today, do you have any energy left? Try to do your workout. If you're that kind of person like me and you need that, I encourage you guys to click the link below, check out Train Well. You'll get those 14 days free and see if you like it. Okay, guys, I love you. I hope you're enjoying your holidays. I'm gonna finish my lunch here before I have to go pick up Sawyer. Oh no, I gotta leave sooner than I thought. Okay, love y'all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.